Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. How are you all? And in today's video, I will tell you how to go from not to hot in a 5-minute hair tutorial. And this is my new hair styling routine that I have been doing for, let's say, like last few months, right? And it is easy peasy. Like, can you say this whole thing? Yeah, you see this? This happened in literally 5 minutes. 5 minutes using just one tool, nothing else, and we're going to do that today. Yeah, so without any further ado, let's get into this video. What मैंने क्या ठीक बोला गलत बोला? I don't know. Without any further ado, let's get into this video. Let's go. हमारे आज के tools are by Truman, and we are going to use its blow drying brush, which is this. And yeah, so basically, first of all, this is a little costly. Let me tell you, this is just a blow drying brush, and you can get this for like 2,500 rupees, 3,000 in that range. So I wouldn't say कि बहुत affordable है. It definitely does burn a little bit of a hole in your pocket, but let me give you another option of how to buy this. Okay, so मैंने जब ये buy किया था, this is my blow drying brush. I bought it with this. This is a Tangle Teaser by Truman. ये दोनों combination में actually सिर्फ 1900 रुपए के थे. I think 2,000 रुपीज के थे, like बहुत कम थे. एंड उसके बाद मेरे पास नायका के रिवॉर्ड पॉइंट्स पड़े थे अराउंड 200-300. 3 टाइम्स रिवॉर्ड पॉइंट मिले थे मुझे बिकॉज आई एम प्लैटिनम प्राइस. तो मैंने 1700 में ये दो चीजें खरीदी हैं. Amazing deal, right? And you can also get that if you buy them at the right time. Okay, so I would suggest you to buy this at the right time when you get the best deal. 1700 में worth it है, बिल्कुल mind blowing worth it है. So you can definitely try that one out. Okay, so let me give you a little bit of a backstory about my hair. Now मेरे बाल, as you can see, they are no longer in that bang situation. छोटे नहीं हैं, अब आगे से थोड़े लंबे हो चुके हैं. And ये वाले जो बाल है ना, ये स्टाइल करने बहुत मुश्किल होते हैं. And especially for somebody like me जो बाल हर एक दिन छोटे बाल होती है. So for me it is very difficult to get this hair styled. और मुझे फिर वो बहुत बुरे लगते हैं सारा दिन में जब वो सेटल नहीं होते. मैंने इस रीजन से एक्चुअली ये बाय किया था, ठीक है. And it did this purpose really well. It was really nice. It was great. I had so much fun using this for this purpose. But then अभी recently October में I got a haircut. And my haircut is more like that 90s wavy haircut. Like मैंने स्टेप कटिंग करवाई है जो मैं हमेशा कराती हूँ, पर मेरे ये जो आगे वाले बाल है ना, दिस इज अब क्योंकि बड़े हो गए हैं, यू वुडंट नो इट दैट मच, बट दिस इज इन अ फुल 90s के जो लेयर्ड कट्स होते हैं ना, बिल्कुल उस तरह से है. तो जब मैंने ये कट करवाए थे उस टाइम पर, जब मैं इसको इससे स्टाइल करती थी ना, ओ माई गॉड, it was so good. They used to look so good. Like literally it gave the full 90s vibe, which I think मैं आज भी थोड़ी बहुत दे रही हूँ. Yeah, so in that case I really loved using this. Like मैंने बहुत सारे फंक्शन, बहुत सारी शादियाँ अटेंड की हैं just blow drying my hair with this, giving the full 90s vibe. Also I want to tell one thing to you कि the type of hair that you have will play a major role in what type of blowout you will get. My hair in मॉनसून सीजन इज वेरी वेरी फ्रिजी. तो उस टाइम पे जब मैं ब्लो ड्राई करती हूँ मुझे ये वाले रिजल्ट नहीं मिलते बिकॉज माई नेचुरल हेयर इज लाइक दैट इन मॉनसून. अब क्योंकि विंटर आ गई और मेरे बाल बहुत स्लीक स्ट्रेट और उस ड्राई वाले उसमें हैं, स्ट्रेट ड्राई एंड हाउ शुड आई से दिस, सैटिन वाले जिनमें वो होता है ना, नॉट सैटिन, स्टैटिक वाले जिसमें करंट होता है. या दैट इज द टाइप ऑफ हेयर आई एम हैविंग राइट नाउ. सो आई थिंक दैट इज वाई द रीजन वाई आई एम हैविंग अ वेरी नाइस ब्लो ड्राई out right now is because ये वाला सीजन चल रहा है. So yeah, that is something that I wanted to tell you beforehand कि आपके बाल कैसे हैं. The texture of your hair will also dictate how the blow dry will work for you, right? Okay, also if you want to buy this combo, I will link it in the description box for you to check out. Do give it a try. But also I would say कि buy तभी करना जब आपको बेस्ट प्राइस में मिले, ठीक है. 2500 में मत लेना, 2000 या उससे कम would be better. उस टाइम मैं एक्चुअली फाइनल का वो एयर शो देख रही थी, सो आई वॉज plugged in my earbuds and everything. Let me take you through this thing. It has 4 settings. It is off, cool, low and high. So cool of course is the cool one. Low and high are for the hotter ones. I like to switch between low and high depending on the temperature, the weather. Also, I am a very stupid person. I don't use heat protectants because I am stupid. Don't be stupid like me. Use heat protectants. And yeah, अभी जब नायका की सेल आएगी, I'm gonna buy a heat protectant no matter what. Yeah, the way I'm styling my hair every day, left, right and center, I need them. So I will do that too. You also don't be stupid like me, do it. So as you can see, this is how the hair goes now. You can see it is so much more sleeker and better than however my natural hair is. So can you see? Yeah, let me show you how my natural hair is. Well, let me just tie this one up. So this is my natural hair, right? Can you see? Like, I don't think you can actually see. And this is how the blow dried hair is. It is definitely better, right? So yeah, let's finish it now. Now this portion is the most important one. This is the portion that you want to focus the most on, because यही है जो सबसे ज़्यादा दिखाई देता है, right? And the way we will do this is very different than how हमने बाकी के सारे बाल किए हैं. So I'm just going to quickly detangle everything with the tangle teaser we got with this thing. I mean, we didn't get it with this thing, it was something I paid for. So yeah, you see like this. Now we'll start off normally like we would. I'm going to take it on the low setting first, and I'm just going to now this is the final important moment. I'm just going to take my hair like this, आगे की तरफ, and now we are going to do it like this. Also, to give it the volume, we are going to do it like this. Can you see? Yeah. We're going to roll it all up to get the volume at the crown. See? See? Can you see the hair? Let me just show you how it looks in its full glory. See the volume, see the gorgeous volume in my hair, like naturally nice. Ow. Can you see? Yeah, this is how good it is. And let me just finish my makeup, and if I want to do any final styling I will do that too, but this as a go-to everyday hair routine when you go to office or something, it's so good. Okay, but of course अभी मैं पूरा makeup करूँगी, पूरी तैयार होंगी, so I can style my hair more than this. But if you see this, just look at how the hair is. Yeah, it is nice. So yes guys, this is it for today's video. I hope you really liked my whole hair styling routine. If you liked it, please hit the like button, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I'll meet you in the next video guys.